It took some time to build your community. It took some time to make your home.
And Buck took the time to gather up quality
Old and new cook stoves and heaters for you. At Buck Stove Palace, you'll only find the best, and our efficient products will pass the test. Particular people will always find we've selected our stoves with you in mind. Fine stoves for fine people. Come on down to Buck Stove Palace.
Hello folks, my name's Buck from Buck Stove Palace. After 33 years, it's time for me to take a rest. 2008 is my last season. Matthew here, he's been in my commercials since he was just a little fella. And my dog here, Cody, he just kind of came into the scene. And I just want you to know that I appreciate being around for that many years, and it wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. Thank you so much.
Come on down to Buck Stove Palace.